Hi everyone, this is Pat in the paper closet. Back today I wanted to show you, I told you in the last video that we were going to use the app called Print to Size. I wrote it down here. Now I know this works on the iPhone. I don't know if they have a version of it for an Android. So you just have to look up, look in your app store, whatever it is on an Android. I'm sure they have something similar. And I print my photos on HP 32 premium paper. It's approximately $19.99 for 500 sheets. That's on Amazon. That's where I get it. I don't know where else you probably get it in any Staples or wherever. But I found this prints the best. Copy paper does not print clear photos. This prints them very clear. The colors are very good. And the thickness of the paper is much better than using photo paper. Because if you're going to fill a journal like this with lots of photos, and you do them on photo paper, it's going to get mighty thick. So we're going to use it on this paper. At least I am. If you want to use photo paper, that's up to you. So I'm going to take it to my computer. This is about my 4th try. I had to learn how to do, I know how to mirror my phone to the laptop, but then I had to mirror my phone and do a screen recording. And I was having trouble with the audio. So we'll see how the next one turns out. So that's what we're going to do today. I'll show you how to resize them. You can fit up to 8 on a page. Unless you want like this one, I wanted a larger photo also. So I did 6 of the small and 1 of the large. But I think this is a good size for a junk journal. These are 3 by 2 1/4. And I'll show you how to do that in the app. Okay, so if you want to download the app, have it on your phone, so you can do it along with me. It will take any photos that are on your phone. Now I tried getting mine off Dropbox, but that doesn't work. You can't do it through Dropbox. But I'm sure many of you have, as I've seen many people have, 3,000 or 5,000 photos on their phone. So you just pick out, say, 6 or 8. Give it a try. So download the app in the meantime and install it, and then we'll get into using it. It's very simple. You really don't need a lot of instruction. The only thing a little confusing is resizing because, well, for me, my fingers get in the way of the little buttons. Okay, so I'm going to take you there now. We'll give it a shot. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, here we are on my computer. I have my phone mirrored to my laptop. Now, this is what I see on my phone. I have a little folder. In there I have my Gmail, and I have this app, Print to Size. So I'm just going to open Print to Size, tap it once, and that's the screen. Let's see if I can fix this. No, too late. I cut off part of the bottom of the screen, but that's okay. I'll explain to you. Now this is what's going to open. This is showing us we have a letter size paper. Of course I'm losing my voice. 8.5 by 11. Now if this is not what you see on your screen, you can see down here in the left hand corner on the bottom with a little circle. That's your settings. Oops, of course I'm trying to do it on my computer and I have to do it on my phone. Tap settings. There you see paper size. Now if yours was not letter, you would tap on US letter or whatever was up there. And these are all the sizes that you can use. 4 by 6, US legal, 2 by 3, 3 by 4. Oh my gosh. any size you want is in here. We're going to go with US letter. So if yours is not already checked, you'll just tap on the US letter. You'll have a red check mark, and you tap on back up at the top. And so now your screen says US letter. The orientation is portrait. You can change that if you want. Landscape. I don't know how many you would fit across on landscape. And the measurement I have in inches. Now, if you don't want to use inches, you can use centimeters, millimeters. Me, I'll stick with inches, so I have that checked. Just tap the one you want. And then hit back. And everything is ready. So up at the top, we're going to click on Done. Okay. So there we have our US letter size paper. That's where we're going to put all our photos fitting inside that white area. Now, directly at the bottom, you can't really see it on the screen, but right in the middle on your phone is a plus. You hit the plus, it'll take you into your photos, your camera roll, and you pick the photos that you want. Now I'm going to pick this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. I'm just going to do 4 for now. Just give it a try so you see what we're doing. So after you have them all checked, they all have blue check marks on your phone, you're going to tap on Add. Now they're all on your paper. However, they're piled on top of each other. So to make this easier on yourself, put your finger on the top photo, which is this one, and just move it to the bottom of your screen. Now you can begin holding the top left blue corner. I'm resizing this photo. I want to make it, whoops, once in a while my finger lets go. You have to have a blue circle to do it. Okay, we're up to almost to 3. We want it 3 wide, which is the top number. There we go. But this one comes out to be 2 for some reason. 3 by 2. Now, if you decide you don't want that photo, while it's highlighted, you can either delete it. It does say you can crop it. I haven't tried that. There is also, I think if you hit this little arrow, you can rotate it or flip it. I haven't tried that either. Let's see what it does. We tap the little arrow on the right next to crop. Duplicate. Oh, I see. Rotate. And that's all there is. So you can make another duplicate copy of it. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to take my photo, highlight it again, bring it all the way to the top of my paper, inside the white area. I'm going to move it down a little bit. Okay, that's good. I usually like a little bit of a border on the photos that I can cut out and leave. Sorry, thought I had a sneeze coming on. Okay, so we have one done. It's up in the corner where we want it. So we're just going to tap off the whole thing anywhere in the gray area so that our photo is not highlighted anymore. Now we're going to take the next top one, which would be this one. Tap on it just once. Move it down a little bit. Get it kind of centered so you can size it. And again, you're going to put your finger on that little blue dot in the left-hand corner or the bottom corner. Either one. I found that top is better. I'm going to bring it down to 3 inches wide. Almost there. Oh, too much. Oh, my finger came off. Tap it again. I'm trying to get it to 3. I wish I could find, I have a stylus that I used on my phone. I can't find it right now. Oh no, I'm stretching it. If you make a mistake and you want to go back to where you were, you see the little, next to the plus sign on the left is a back arrow. That'll undo whatever you just did. Whoops, cancel that. Undo. I want to get back to where I had it. Excuse me. I'm going to try that again. I'll go a little bit. And I'll go a little bit more. 305, I'm close. 3. This is the hard part once you get used to doing it. See, I stretched it again. Anyway, I'll get it to 3. Somehow. 310, close enough for now. A little hard doing this on camera. Okay, so now we're going to take that one, tap on it once again, bring it to the top next to your other photo. Okay, you have 2 done. Now the next one. Bring it in the middle. We're trying to the corner. How about this one? And get it to 3. Sorry, my fingers don't work on this little button. There we go. 3. Close enough. Okay, I'm just gonna tap on it, bring it up to the top again. Now this last one that we have in the middle, that we haven't sized yet, I'm gonna bring it down, do it again. Oh, I almost had 310. No, I went up. 305, close enough. Okay, tap off it, tap on it, bring it up here, tap on the other one that we just finished, move it off there. I'm going to try to line them up a little bit, so there's even space between them. That looks good. Oh, I lost half my photo. Undo. Thank goodness I have an undo in here. I'm having trouble with this moving. Every time I try to move it, I make it a different size. Try once more. There we go. That's pretty good. Could go up a little bit. Now they look pretty even. So you can fit 4 more on this sheet of paper. You could make them a little bit bigger if you want them bigger, but I suggest 3 by 2.25 for a junk journal. Here's this one. This one looks 310. Looks a little big. Okay, perfect. All right, that's all you have to do. So now you have all your photos on there. You've resized them all. Made duplicates if you want to. Now we're going to go to down in the bottom right corner. There's a little printer. Hit the printer button. If your printer is attached to your computer or your phone, what do they use? Air print or air something. It's, as far as I know, it's attached to Wi-Fi on your network. Now, if that's not your printer that shows up there, your printer should show up, but just tap on that button and it'll show you any printers that are connected. Now mine is checked. I have an HP Smart Tank 7000. So I'm going to click on the print button to go back. We want mode, says color photo. That's what we want. I'll show you what else is in there. You can do color general, which would kind of be like printing on copy paper, I guess. It wouldn't be a best quality. There's grayscale photo and grayscale general. I choose color photo always. So that's checked. You can hit the print again and go back. Now everything's all set up. Get paper in your printer, your 32-pound or your photo paper. And now you're going to hit print. If you want, you can export it as a PDF or a JPEG. Below that, what you can't see on the screen, it says save for later. Now, if you're setting this up and you're not going to print it right now, you can pick save for later. And when you reopen the app, that your original, your screen with your photos that you just made will come up again. It's not saved anywhere on your phone. It's in the app. So I'm going to put save for later. Oh, that's saves. On my iPhone. Printer size will be saved to on my iPhone. Printer size. And I'm going to try it and see what happens. Hit save. Okay. Anyway, when you do close it, whatever is last on your screen will come up. I'll show you that. So your paper is printing right now. I would wait till it's done. When it's all finished. If I close the app, then open it again, and there's my pictures that I just put in there. They'll stay in there until you go to settings, left-hand corner, and hit clear the page, which says right in the middle of this screen. That'll clear off your page. And you hit done. And that's all there is to it. Now I put 8 on a page, then on another page I did 6 with a larger photo at the bottom. But you would have to move these up a little bit. It's a challenge for me. There we go. Okay, I got them up. So you can fit 2 more, and then say maybe a 3x5 at the bottom, if that's what you want. Or a 4 by whatever it comes to be. So it's very handy to have. Get any of the photos that are on your phone and your camera roll onto paper, print them out. When I come back in the next video, I'll have my photos cut out and we'll be starting our Journal with Me series. That's where I'm going to be showing you how I use the photos in my junk journal, in the Happy Junk Journal. Okay, so I hope you come back. If you like this video, please hit the like button. That helps me get more views on YouTube, which helps my channel grow. And if you like the video and you'd like to see more, hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell and you'll be notified when my next video is up. Okay, thank you very much for coming. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope it works for you. Very handy. Okay, thank you. See you soon. Bye.